Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute and easy bleach dip dyed flannel. For the materials, you'll need 3 buckets with water, bleach, hydrogen peroxide, a flannel shirt, lace trim, a measuring cup, gloves, fabric glue, and scissors. First, pour a cup of hydrogen peroxide into one of the buckets. Then pour 2 cups of bleach into another bucket. Submerge the flannel into the bleach and water mixture as far as you'd like it to go. Leave it in for about 10 minutes, or until the shirt is the shade you'd like. Then rinse it off in the bucket of just water. Then put it in the bucket of water and hydrogen peroxide to stop the bleaching process. Wring it out and wash it by itself like normal. Once the shirt is dry, lay it out and start gluing the lace trim around the bottom of the shirt. Once you get to the end, trim the excess. And that's it! It's seriously so cute and can be a definite wardrobe staple. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching.